In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you and show you how to set up a savings account in Halifax. So as you can see here, you can open your savings account with just £1, and you can also, as you can see, earn up to 1.35% interest. Now, as you can see here, there are a few methods to open a savings account. So you can do this online, on their mobile app, in a branch, or by phone. So all you have to do is simply be 16 or over and a UK resident. You can have up to 5 everyday saver accounts and name each one. And you need to open the account in sole name, but you can make it joint once it's open. And you can simply open it, as I said earlier, with just £1. So you can simply go to their official website, and then you're gonna have to simply here go to the menu and then simply select bank accounts. And as you can see here, you have different options, and here you have the savings account, so you can simply select it. And now here, as you can see, you have different savings accounts types, so you're gonna have to simply choose one that fits the best for you, and you can simply call them and tell them that you want to open these accounts here. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.